Hello dear friends of central data storage. You have your TIA portal projects scattered all over the company server. That's why we have the project server. The new exclusive engineering functionality allows you to work on projects in TIA portal as usual, but with the advantages of the project server, such as versioning and commenting. When you're finished with your project, the multi-user functionality and the new commissioning modes allow you to bring it quickly and effectively to your plant. We will show you the two functionalities now. We will have a look at the new functionality, Exclusive Engineering, which offers the possibility to work with only one person directly and exclusively on the project server and thus has the advantages of a central data storage and versioning. Creating an exclusive session can be done from the Manage Server Projects overview. By creating an exclusive session, the project on the server is permanently locked. Even if the exclusive session is closed, the project on the server stays locked. The server lock is not released until the exclusive session is deleted. While working in an exclusive session, all elements of the project can be changed. With the button Apply Changes, the modifications are transferred to the server project. At this point, you have the possibility to delete the exclusive session to unlock the server again. Alternatively, you can delete the exclusive session in the context menu of the Manage Server Projects window to unlock the server. In this video, we showed the differences between the two available commissioning modes, the Asynchronous Commissioning mode and the Synchronous Commissioning mode. First, we have a look at the Synchronous Commissioning mode. The commissioning mode is activated for each project in the project server administration tool. While using the commissioning mode, the current project status of the local session is automatically checked into the server project by downloading to the PLC. The commissioning mode ensures the data consistency between the server project and the PLC, simplifies the workflow and ensures the traceability of the PLC downloads. By clicking on the commissioning symbol, you can switch between synchronous and asynchronous commissioning mode. In the asynchronous commissioning mode, the download to the PLC from a second TIA portal instance is executed in the background. This significantly increases performance compared to the synchronous commissioning mode. Information about the download process can be found in the message window at the bottom. If a user action is required for the download to the PLC, this is also indicated in the message window below. After the completed download to the PLC, there is no automatic refreshing of the local session. This must be performed manually by the user. You have seen how you can use the project server for single users and in a team. Your experience interests me. Feel free to write them in the LinkedIn comments. For more information, watch episode 21. Have fun!
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.